everyone, welcome back to another trading session. In today's market, I will try to take some trades and explain each and every single trade. Hopefully we hit 40k today, okay? This is my first trade, okay? Because we have minor uptrend. Also, we have been broken the structure here. Also, this is a evening star, which needs a retracement. That's why we go with the bars here. The market is moving this way to the upside. This is not a trade that I would take more than one trade on this one. That's why I go only one trade. And this area will be somewhere that the market will react. Because this is exactly after this fair value gap. Basically, the first candle before fair value gap, okay, will be somewhere that the market can highly react from. I'm trying to add this fair value gap to my setups. Also, we have this QM area. So in general, this area is a very good area to take some sell trades. Hopefully, we can take some beautiful trades here. You can see this fresh supply here. That's a beautiful combination right here. I will take multiple trades when the price comes up here. Okay, let's just wait and see how it goes. Alright, probably the next candle will come up. If I get the gap down, I will take, yes, I go with the bars. Multiple freaking trades. This is awesome. And it will be like this. This is the fair value gap for now. This red zone is a very important zone for me. Just like this one. Alright, it's coming up. Alright, I want to take one trade here. Let's see how it will close. We have two buys down here and one sell up here. So in general, 3 trades running. Oh my god, that was so close. I think that was my mistake. Now let's just look at this area. My zone is not... Yeah. So if I was entering exactly here, I should have get the money back. But it seems that one of them was a losing trade. That's fine. So the market decided to break this. This was a strong zone. If the market decides to break this, next time price will react as somewhere that the buyers can enter to the chart, okay? Because it turns to a decision point. Just like this one. Okay? Look at this one. This was like a similar zone for me. Fair value gap right here. One candle before that. And if this is strongly breaking out, next time price will react in the opposite direction. Let's see how this candle will close. Yeah, so now if the price comes down here, it will reject. That's how it works. I will set an alarm here. Small ranging chart. I don't see any setup for now. Let's just draw everything. If you want to join the largest trading competition for free and compete for $10,000 prize for the winner, join the Telegram channel and stay tuned. Details will be posted soon. You know, let's just take a buy right here. I'm expecting rejection to the upside. We can have red candle here. That's no problem. But this is a common point of rejection for me. And market is coming from a QM area. That's why I take this trade. When the market comes from a QM area, okay, it touched here, it filled the QM, and it can go up to the next supply. Alright, so that was a winning trade. I'll just move forward and go to the next chart. All right, again, potential buy trade. No, I don't see gap down here. I would love to have a gap down in the favor of buyers, but we are inside of a ranging market, but it's slightly in the favor of buyers. So if I can take a good entry on this one, because every single candle has shadows, see that? I can, okay, I take it right here. So every single candle has this much of shadows, so I have to think about taking a good entry at least. And again, we have this demand area right here, and we take the trade exactly in the buyer's area, unless we're so unlucky if we lose this trade. And this is the demand area I'm talking about. See that? Fresh demand. All right, it's getting rejected. Yeah, it was a winning trade. All right, again, we got this gap down in the favor of buyers. Again, if I want to take a trade here, I have to be smart and take margin of safety. I have to enter somewhere down here. I'm not entering immediately because, you know, since every single candle has shadows, let's imagine this one also will have shadows. So I'm not entering immediately. I have to find a safe entry like this one, like somewhere here. Okay, this one will be a safe entry for me. Look at this. This would be amazing entry, this one. I do not markets like this, because if I want to take this sell, the moment I enter with the sellers, it will give me a green candle. That's proven for me, at least. That's why I do not trade this kind of markets, because it feels some kind of blind trading for me. That's why I do not trade that. All right, so we have a decision point. We have a respected resistance previously. See? And then market decided to break this. So next time price can react from somewhere here. And the exact entry should be in the lower time frame. It should be fresh demand. So it seems that the fresh demand is this one, but we like it to be below the zone. That's why this will be a risky trade for us. I will set an alarm here, but I will not take a full $1,000 trade on this one. I will go with 200 if it reaches down here. Okay. Another one right here, respected resistance. This one is much better than that one. This one is much better because if you look, we can also now combine fair value gaps with our setups. It makes it super strong. Look at this fair value gap here. See that? One candle before will be our order block to find our entry. Look at that. I will mark this. And then I will, let's change the color. Boom. Let's go to lower time frame to find the fresh demand area. There we go. I'm just draw it with the other. All right, so the red zone will be my safest entry for this trade. I will take multiple entries on this one if the price comes down. So this red zone is perfect. Looks awesome. Very respected resistance. Okay, all of a sudden it decides to be broken. So based on the smart money concept, the imbalance of market happens right here. It creates this fair value gap, and then the entry exactly on the demand area, the red zone. I hope it doesn't reject from here. All right, it's coming down. I will take a 200 on the blue zone, and then oh shit, no, it's reacting from the. fair value gap. I will not take the trade unless it comes to my entry. That's my rules. That's my rules here. It can be like this. Let's go back to 1,000 and check the other pairs until if I want to take 2 trades, yes, my entry is very good. My entry is very good. Alright, so look at this one. I will explain something very important to you. If you look at this area, just mark this. This area is a resistance area. See how market used to react to this area. And then it's broken and left us 2 demand areas. Okay, one this one and another one this one. So these 2 areas right here will have reaction when the price comes to that area next time. Okay, it can be a rejection. It can be also closing inside of it. The next candle comes, the bar is coming to the market. Okay, for this particular one, this one, it has also reaction from it because it was fresh. See, it was fresh. If I go to lower time frame, let's go to lower time frame for this one. Okay, you can see that this fresh demand area and the market rejected from this fresh demand. But for this one is a little different. This one, because it's not fresh. If you look at this one, the shadow is inside of it. So it's not fresh anymore, but of course it can have reaction. And we don't look for lower time frame entry for this one because it's not fresh. But if this is closing inside of this and we have other reasons to take the trade, we can take the trade, which the last trade was basically based on this demand area, which causing the breakout. Okay, and now market is reacting from this QM area, and again it can start going up to the next supply, which is this one and this one. This one is much better compared to this one because there's a fair value gap right like before the supply. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop right here. We hit the 40k. It's not really 40k, but I'm just gonna stop right here. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.